Brother,
Yes, sir.
would you like to go in the next life into heaven or hell?
No, sir. I don't think I will be having a next life, because if I am going to have a next life,
Do you believe in the Hindu scriptures?
yes, sir.
You believe? Do you
Not
believe in the
the
Vedas?
scriptures, some of the points.
Do you believe in the Vedas?
Yes, I don't know big about the Vedas.
But you believe it to be sacred, correct?
Sorry?
Do you believe it to be from God?
No, I feel I am God. You are God. All are God. That's what Hinduism says. Aham Brahmasmi.
What is the definition of God?
I don't know.
I am God, you are God. What is the definition of God? I don't know. That means you don't know, I don't know. I know myself.
Okay.
You say you are God, I am God.
We
What
all
is the
are part
definition?
of God.
I am asking you what is the definition of God, and you say I don't know. Are you talking English or what?
I'm talking English.
What is the definition of God?
I cannot define, sir. Just I can feel.
So without defining, you're saying you are God and I am God.
But I can realize, sir. God is everywhere in all of us.
What
We are
is
God.
the definition of God? Then I will say whether God is everywhere, you are God or not. First, give me the definition of God. If your definition of God is only wrong, I said this is not God what I'm talking about. What is the definition of God?
I don't know to define, sir, exactly in words.
So that means you do not believe. I'm not talking about the God which you're talking about. So you should ask me what is the definition and I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Can you explain me?
If you don't know what you should do, you should ask or not.
Yes.
So ask me, I will tell you. The definition of God come to according to Vedas and Upanishad, then I come to the Quran. If you read the Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, chapter number 6, section number 2, verse number 1, Ikkam Evidityam. God is only one without a second. It's mentioned in Shvetasvatara Upanishad, chapter number 6, verse number 9. Nachasya kasij janitana chadipa. A Sanskrit quotation which says that of that God, he has got no superior, he has got no parents. Almighty God has got no Lord, no superior, no mother, no father. It's mentioned in Yajurved, chapter number 32, verse number 3. Na tasya masti. Of that God, there is no image, there is no picture, there is no portrait, there is no photograph, no sculpture. Furthermore, it says in the Brahma Sutra of Hinduism, Ekkam Braham Dyotya Naste, Nina Naste Kinchan. There is only one God, not a second one, not at all, not at all, not in the least bit. So based on this definition, God is one, there's nothing like him. And the Quran further says in Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1 to 4, the definition of God is, Qul huwallahu ahad, says Allah one and only, Allahu samad, Allah the absolute eternal, lam yalid wa lam yulad, he begets not nor is he begotten, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, there's nothing like him.